let's look at assignment operators in R. So assignment operators are those that are used for assigning a value to a variable, and we already saw them at the beginning of this tutorial. So the first assignment operator is this, equals to, for example, a equals to 3. And the second assignment operator that we saw was this, less than sign and hyphen. And the example was this. We have another assignment operator, and it is called the right assignment, and it is this. And the usage is different now, and the usage is like this. So you will write 3 here, and then this operator, hyphen and greater than sign, and your a will be here. So remember, if you are using this, your variable should be on the right, but normally it is not used and not preferred. So my suggestion is don't use this, just use these two. But yes, it does exist. So the reason for mentioning it is that it does exist, just to tell you that something like this is present, but normally it is not used or preferred. So we use these two operators. So I don't think an example for these is necessary. I've already given you these examples, so I'm not going to run them in RStudio. We have done it lots of time in different other examples. Let's look at some other operators. The first one is this, and I think we have seen this before, this operator. And it is used, for example, like this, A and B. It is actually a range. It creates a series of numbers from A to B. We have used this before. If you've learned about it before. So another operator is this, percentage sign, in, and then again percentage sign. And this operator identifies if some particular value, some particular element belongs to a vector or not. And the usage, the example is like this. So for example, you have a scalar A, and you will like percentage sign, in keyword, again percentage sign, and then let's say the name of your vector is B. You will write B here. So it will check if a particular value A, particular element A is present in the vector B or not. It will check that. And we have another operator which is percentage sign, multiplication, and percentage sign, and we have done this too before. This is the matrix multiplication operator. It multiplies two matrices, and this is the way we use it. For example, we have a matrix A. We will write A, percentage sign, multiplication sign, again percentage sign, and let's say the other matrix is B. So that's how we use it. And this is nothing. This is just a bar. So that's how we use it. And A is multiplied with B, and this is proper matrix multiplication. And we have to take care of all the matrix multiplication rules. You know, there are certain rules for matrix multiplication. And for this particular operator, I have covered it in detail in another video. So for this particular operator, I've made another video. So see that for this one. And I think these two are clear. Let's quickly see an example for these two. Okay, so the first operator was a colon, the range operator. So let's see it. A equals to, let's say I want to create create a range starting from 23 and ending at 31. Let's say, press enter, and let's now print A. Press enter, and you can see it started from 23 and it ended at 31. And I mentioned this before as well. This range operator works this way. It starts from this particular value and end at this value. It's not less than this value. It's less than and equals to. So 31 is included. That's what I told you before. This is not like the range function of Python. In Python, this 31 is not included, but in R, it is included. So this thing is important. And the other operator that we just saw was the in operator, right? So let's use it for that. First of all, let's create a vector. So this is my vector. Let's say I have 25, 26, and 27. I have 3 values in it, and I have another variable, let's say B, and the value of B is 27. and I want to check if B exists in A or not. So does it exist? Yes, it does. 27 is present in this vector, right? So let's see if it exists or not using our operator. So the operator was something like this: B and percentage sign, in, again percentage sign, and then the name of our vector, which is A. Press enter and the answer is true. And let's do it with some other value. So let's say I will write 30 here, 30 percentage sign, in keyword, again percentage sign, and A. So 30 doesn't exist in this vector, so the answer should be false. Yes, the answer is false. So these were the examples. With this, I think we have concluded all of the operators. I hope it was clear to you. If there are any questions, do let me know.